Hello everyone, welcome back to another English language video. Today we are looking at AQA GCSE English language, paper 1, question 2. So here we have the following question. It reads, look in detail at this extract from lines 5 to 15 of the source. So they have already given us a snapshot of the text, so we don't have to actually refer back to the insert. So you need to read every single line and pick out key language features to help you answer the question. So the question itself, it reads the following. How does the writer use language here to describe Ugwu's impression of the city? You could include the writer's choice of words and phrases, language features and techniques, and sentence forms. And this question is worth 8 marks. In order to tackle this question, we need to know what each criteria means. So words and phrases, language features and techniques, and sentence forms. So what we'll do is we'll break down what language is, and we can sort of look at the certain sort of features and criteria for each bullet point. So the first one we have is for words and phrases, which includes the following. So words plus phrases. That includes things like verbs, adverbs, nouns, adjectives, okay, etc. So these are things that you can look out for when reading and annotating the text. And every single year within the exam paper, you will find examples of some of these. So that's words and phrases. The second one we have is language features or language techniques. So for language techniques / features, you need to be looking at how the writer uses numerous language techniques. So that includes things like similes, it includes metaphors, and it includes things like personification. Okay, of course there are many more, but these are just a few examples that you can look at. And finally, sentence forms. So sentence forms, sorry, I just wrote that out. Sentence forms, it includes the different types of sentences. So you could have a simple sentence, you could have a compound sentence, you could have a complex sentence, a declarative sentence, and even an imperative sentence. Okay, so these are all the different types of sentence forms that you need to be familiar with. Now, when you answer the question, you need to look at number 1, words and phrases, as mentioned, number 2, language features and techniques, and number 3, sentence forms. So potentially you could have 1 paragraph on the words and phrases, 1 paragraph on the language features and techniques, and 1 paragraph on the sentence forms. Often you will find many examples for 1 and 2, but sometimes students struggle to find examples of number 3. Saying that, it doesn't mean you cannot score the highest mark possible. You can still score full marks by just simply looking at 1 and 2. So every single year within the text, you'll find examples of 1 and 2. If you find examples of a short simple sentence or compound sentence, then for sure you need to explain the impact, okay? And as this question is on language, you need to focus on the effect. I've mentioned this before when we looked at language paper 2. Focus on the effect. So what is the impact of using language? So through words and phrases, through language techniques and sentence forms, what is the effect? What is the impact? How does it make the reader feel? Does it make the reader feel sympathetic? Does it make them feel intrigued? Make sure you are specific. Don't just say it makes the reader feel interested. Tell us how and why. So make sure you are specific with your language analysis. And as it's 8 marks, you should be looking to spend roughly, I would say, 10 to 12 minutes on this question. And again, potentially 2 to 3 petal paragraphs, okay? 2 to 3 petal paragraphs or 2 to 3 peel paragraphs. And that takes us towards the end of the video for question 2, language paper 1. I hope this gives everyone a better understanding of how to answer the question. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Please subscribe, like and share for more education related videos. Thank you.